Hey, Lynette here, and these are the Boxycharm spoilers for the month of November, shared on my subscription addiction. As we always do, we'll definitely put the full list of all the spoilers in the description box below so you guys can check those out. And let's get into those spoilers. Okay guys, what did you think of those Boxycharm spoilers? Are you excited? Not excited? Definitely let me know in the comment section below, and make sure you like and subscribe so you never miss another spoiler. Have a good day, guys.